Welcome to another edition of The Story Behind the Car. I'm with Ken, and Ken and I have known each other for years. And in his off time in the winter, you'll never guess what he does. Yeah, there you go. And he's got a beautiful Ford truck, so let's go ahead and start talking about your truck, Ken.
Alrighty. Where do you want to start?
How about if we start, what year is it?
1933.
Okay. And how long have you had it?
I bought it in 05 as a basket case.
Okay.
Actually, this was my boss's spare parts he had left over from a restoration job.
Okay. And if I remember correctly, the engine is out of your dad's, was it your dad's?
58 Nomad.
Yes.
283 power pack.
Would you still own that?
Still own the car.
Yeah.
And that engine to this day has never had the heads off.
Wow.
65 years old and still banging on it.
And you drive the heck out of this, don't you?
It doesn't rest a lot.
No.
It makes many trips to the lumber yard.
Yeah. Well, I'm going to wander around and we can talk about it. I do want to ask about your spreader bar because that's so unique.
Found that in somebody's garage one night, leaning in a corner because it came out of a dirt car and it was shot. So I just decided I didn't have a spreader bar at the time, and I thought that would probably fit well.
Yes.
So we did a little welding and fab and got her in there.
Yeah. Beautiful, beautiful. And I know you told me in the past what the piston was out of.
I think it was out of a weed eater, something like that. Yeah. A buddy of mine gave that to me.
Yeah. And you got the ham and...
Ham Andy. You remember him?
I don't remember Ham Andy.
This little kid had terminal cancer
up
in Canada, and everybody got behind him. Yeah. It was it gives me goosebumps right now, man.
Yeah.
Poor little guy.
And you just drive the heck out of this car. I see you all the time. And I was just going to ask if we can open it up. What are the bucket seats out of originally?
I think they're Mustang.
Okay.
I never found out for sure. I had bought a 55 Chevy pickup to restore, and these were sitting in the front of the cab. So I couldn't tell you what they were out of exactly.
Yeah.
They got some miles on them too.
And you've got autographs on there. I'll have to go around the on the other side. Oh, you got all kinds of stickers in the headliner.
Oh yeah. The shop fridge was already covered.
Who is the most famous signature on there?
I got Jimmy Vaughn.
I see Alex Exsidious. He just...
George Barris, probably.
Yeah.
George Barris.
And Alex just died.
Gene Winfield.
Okay. He's still kicking.
Yeah. Jeff Norwell from Canada. The guy rocks.
Yeah.
Alex Gambino out of California.
That's Alex Gambino. I thought that was Alex Exsidious.
No.
Okay. I saw Alex and just, believe it or not, I jumped to...
Reverend Horton Heat. We can't leave him out.
And who is he?
He's a rockabilly guy out of Dallas.
Okay.
And he was at one of his shows one night. Had the truck out there.
Yeah.
He's got a hot ride. He's got a 32 coupe.
Outstanding.
Yeah. Neat guy.
Oh, you got the Norwell equipped as well on the back.
Oh, yeah. Got to give Jeff some kudos there.
Yeah. He has a big show in Canada every year, doesn't he?
Yeah, and I'd love to surprise him one weekend and just show up. It's only 800 miles.
Yeah. That's nothing for a guy like you. And is the taillight out of a Cadillac or is it a Chrysler?
59 Caddy.
59 Caddy.
Kind of fond of those Cadillac taillights.
Oh, and I meant to ask you on the wheels and tires, you have on the back, what is the size?
17s.
Okay.
All the way around.
Oh, all the way around.
Wires, yeah.
Yeah. And is this your fuel cell or?
It's extra.
Extra?
If the gas gauge is inaccurate.
Okay, yes.
I usually use it for a lawnmower, so.
Yeah. And we just were talking about your flag. You said it's a newer purchase, but it just hasn't held up.
It did not hold up as I anticipated.
Yeah. So
but they still make them. So
yeah.
I'll just get me another one and retire that one.
And I just wanted to mention that because you always have those guys that say, well, that, make a comment that the flag is in bad shape. Well,
it got that way getting here.
Yeah. Yep, 60 miles an hour will play hell on a flag. And is it okay if I open the passenger door?
Yeah, I can get it.
Oh, okay.
Secret.
Oh, yeah. Part of your security system.
Exactly. Anti-theft device. Now that everybody knows.
Yeah. What is your favorite feature or thing about the truck, Ken?
Probably the engine, because it came out of Dad's car.
Yes.
A car we've had since the, early 70s, I guess.
And your father has passed on.
He has, yeah. So
Yeah.
He's still getting me around, though.
Yeah. And you have a sister that also has, was it a 58 Chevy?
Del Rey.
Yeah.
Right.
And that was your father's car as well?
Correct, yeah.
Yeah.
Both the 58s, that and the Nomad both.
Yeah.
And he put a crate motor in the Nomad, so I snagged the 283.
And you have a son that is in the service or was in the service?
Still in the Navy.
Okay.
Yep, out in Southern California. And he just got him a Harley last year, so
Oh,
he
wonderful.
spends a lot of his time.
Yeah. And that's a beautiful part of the country to have
it
a Harley.
is, yeah. Yeah, he does a lot of mountain riding.
Yeah.
Carving the canyons, fun stuff.
Very nice. Anything we should mention before we wrap things up, Ken?
Just go play hard.
Yes.
Life's too short to sit in front of an idiot box.
That is so true. Well, thank you again, Ken, for sharing your story behind your truck.
You bet, anytime. Good to see you.
Yeah, great seeing you. Thank you.